Speak. I fired myself. 5 AI agents run my whole business for $80 a month. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash no team. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash no employees. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash 5 agents handle support, content, leads, email, and research 24 hours a day. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash agent 1. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash n8n. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash free if self-hosted. $20 a month on cloud. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash it connects 400 plus apps, no code needed. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash my entire backend runs through it. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash agent 2. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash Claude API for customer support. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash tickets closed in under 60 seconds. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash cost about $3 per million tokens. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash comment if you're already using Claude for this. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash agent 3. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash make.com at $9 a month. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash it runs my lead pipeline is scrape, qualify, CRM, fully automated. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash zero human touch after setup. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash agent 4. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash copy.ai at $36 a month. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash unlimited words. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash my organic traffic is up 40% since I stopped writing manually. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash agent 5. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash perplexity pro at $20 a month. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash real time market research. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash competitor tracking. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash every morning I get a full briefing written by AI, zero effort from me. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash total stack. Break time equals end quote 300 ms end quote slash n8n $20, Claude API $15, make $9, copy.ai $36, perplexity $20. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash under $100 a month. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash which one would you cut first? Tell me below. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash honestly, what surprised me the most was how fast the whole thing clicked. After week 1 it basically runs itself. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash biggest ROI and 8n plus Claude, and I've tried 12 stacks like this before landing here. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash drop a comment with the agent you would add to this list. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash link in the description. Break time equals end quote 600 ms end quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.